Hello everyone, do you want to remove a particular word or text from Excel cell without editing every cell manually? Let me show you a simple formula. So here you can see the original text. So here I'm going to remove the dash paid word. Okay. So select the cells is equal to, use here the substitute function, and in bracket select the original text, then comma, double quote, and type here the word you want to remove. So I type here dash, then paid, then double quote, then comma, double quote, bracket close. So in this formula, here you can see the A2 is a cells containing the original text, and minus paid is the specific text we want to remove, and double quote means replace that text with the nothing. Okay, after that press the enter, and here you see the dash paid, the specific word text here remove. Now I select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you see the all text here claimed with the remove dash paid word. Here the one bonus tips. So I just go to the my next sheet, and here you can see the Excel tutorial Excel. Here I'm going to remove only the first Excel word. Okay, remove only one occurrence. So I select the cell, use this equal to, again use the substitute function, then select here the text, then comma, double quote, type here remove word Excel, again double quote, then comma, double quote, comma, then here type the one, the first word. Okay, Excel here the first position showing. If you want to remove the third word, so you can enter here the third Excel word. So I enter here the first, and after that I have bracket closed. Press the enter, and here you can see the first Excel word here removed. So tutorial Excel is a clean text. Okay, so this is a way you can easily remove your specific text from a cell in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.